Many people want to lead in public, but they struggle to lead at home. And the Quran teaches us something profound. If your leadership doesn't work in your house, something is incomplete. And Allah gives us one of the clearest parenting and leadership lessons through Luqman alayhi salam. وَإِذْ قَالَ لُقْمَانُ لِابْنِهِ وَهُوَ يَعِظُهُ يَا بُنَيَّ. When Luqman called to his son and advised him, he said, "Oh my son, Ya bunay." You remember Ibrahim alayhi salam talking to his father, Ya abati. So notice the tone, "Oh my son." This is advice delivered with our relationship. Luqman does not begin with control or authority. He begins with meaning and identity and love, connecting before correcting. And here is the Qur'anic leadership principle of today. The most powerful teaching is the teaching that happens through closeness, not force. And leadership thinkers will say it in different ways. Values are caught more than they are taught. People become what they repeatedly observe. The Prophet ﷺ said, "خَيْرُكُمْ خَيْرُكُمْ لِأَهْلِهِ." The best of you are those who are best to their families. And he made private character the measure of greatness, because home reveals who you truly are. In many homes today, children don't need more lectures and harshness. They need some calmness and stability, consistency, kindness with boundaries. This doesn't mean a lack of discipline. Leadership at home means you model what you want to see, and obviously every culture has its nuances. Truthfulness is important, and patience and prayer and respect. And one of the greatest ongoing deeds is raising people who love Allah, who truly love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And a home that nurtures faith can outlive you by generations. Take 2 actions today. Choose a family interaction to lead with gentleness and tone, and teach one value today through behavior, but not through your speech. Remember that your home is your first leadership school, and that people remember your tone more than they remember your lecture. Comment below. What's something that helps homes be better when it comes to that aspect of leadership? And if this was beneficial for you, then share it with someone that perhaps you built a home with, or someone you shared a home with amongst family or siblings or a spouse or children, and may Allah bless you and all of our homes.